Previously on The Walking Dead.
Then I realized, oh, some of these other books that I have that are cheaper that I purchased, I don't care as much about, they went up in value a little bit. And I was able to move a couple of them for a little bit of money, like $10 here, $20 there.
So I'm going to show you what you get here for $25, but just a little behind the scenes look. So this isn't just like one of those mystery boxes you buy off eBay, where it's like, hey, get 25 books or 50 books or 100 books, and it's going to be a mix of this and a mix of that, and you really don't know what you're going to get. With Tom's monthly subscription box, he goes and he shows you through his Instagram stories the books that are going to be included in these subscription boxes. And you see that there's modern books, and there's variants, and there's bronze and copper, Silver Age books, signed books. I mean, just all kinds of crazy stuff. And you really get to see him start to curate the comics that he's going to include in all the subscription boxes. So you can be like, as you're watching his stories, like, ooh, oh God, I hope I get that one. Oh, no, that one. You know, and you get to see, and you get excited about it, so that when the box shows up, you're not just excited because you've got comics and it's a surprise, but you have an idea, you know some of the books that are out there, and you're like, fingers crossed, I hope I get one of those ones that I saw, you know what I'm saying? I have no reason to think that the quality of books is going to drop. If you've ever seen Comic Tom's collection, it's massive, and he shows it off a lot.
A separate show every week that's going to be just Comic Book Karma, where we just have a whole video where we can open up the things that the community sends in to be sent back out, and then maybe other unboxings that may randomly.
Hi, my name is what? My name is my name is Timmy. Hi, my name is what? My name is my name is Timmy. Hi, my name is what? My name is my name is Timmy. Hi,
to preach too long. Ain't gonna take the service too far. My sermon this morning, hell to the no, no, no. Come on, come on, come on. Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Listen, Sister Elder, Sister Ruth, y'all ushers, make sure that everybody get a seat. Sister Lily may go in the kitchen, cause when I get through, I need to eat. Come on! Fix me collard greens and cornbread and rice. Chicken breasts, oxtails on the side. That's alright. Deacon Frank, get my Dodge truck ready, cause when I get through, I need to ride. And Deacon Big Rob, count the money, come back, tell me what you raised. I got some people, they looking for some blessings, but now God got to get the praise. Woo! There's an old saying, when the praises go up, you get the blessing coming down. Yeah, I got some peoples in the church.
Boom. All right, this is what I do on a daily basis. I typically do it without you, though, but you're going to do it with me. Let's see what we got. Anyways, ooh, look at this. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This is cool. This is a really, really underrated variant that no one picked up. And you can find this in dollar bins. I'm going to just encourage everyone here to remember this cover right here. And then it got to the point where it's like, shoot, I want these other more rare stuff. I want some original artwork. I want this or that. So then it's like, okay, well, I don't need 6 copies of this. So let's just move that one and I'll put that towards the next big book that I want. Ooh. Community is so strong. It's awesome. Only in the comic book community can you have like things like that happen. Random like events like that. But take a look at this. Oh, yes. It's got Leslie. Oh, we got another one here. Oh, Mark Enduffel killing the covers. Love it. I'm typically like between the pre-show and getting it ready for launch, I'm working from 8 till we release the show. And then at that point, I have to do the sharing and the Instagram posts and get people to check it out. I go live on Instagram typically. And once all that's done, I take a break because I'm typically pretty tired. I can tell you what doesn't happen during that time. I have 0 opportunity to go and like spike my own books. To go through like, oh, I think I have 3 copies of that somewhere in the pile of freaking comics that I had. Oh, I'm gonna go sell this right now and make an extra $20. Like, no, that don't happen. I don't have time for that shit. But we had some comments from a recent video a couple of days ago implying that there could be some shenanigans happening because we get the list earlier and we report on it and we happen to sell comic books. But as you know, we are on the mic a lot, we're alive a lot, and you kind of have to know where our time is being spent because we're keeping us pretty damn busy. We're making a lot of content for you. We're packing up a lot of comic books for the mail call. And there's not a whole lot of time at all to do any types of shenanigans like that. Not that the community wouldn't hold us accountable. I mean, heck, that wouldn't fly for more than a week. Oh my goodness! You know how fast the comic fan would be on our case if they even saw something even slightly in the gray happening. Oh, it'd be over. No, we have too much integrity for something like that. But do they? Oh, they do. Oh, it worked out. The pre-show. It's here. It's a Christmas miracle. It's a Christmas miracle. Shopping for you, so you're gonna want to be following because I'm shopping for you, like your comic books. I'm gonna be sending to the comic fan. So, keep responsibly, comic fan. Adios. I'll see you very soon.
No.